y'all? I'm Black Talent Sport. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of these new, to me at least, new LED high beams made by none less than Auxito. They have decided to partner up with me to bring to you guys a nice little product here and also offer a 15% off to my viewers using a promo code. You'll get the promo code later on in the video, but today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to have a look at these high beams. We're going to talk about, a couple of the features and what I like about it. And in another video, I'm going to do an install of these high beams. But for today, we're just going to be doing the unboxing, and I'm going to just show you the LEDs and offer you that promo code. All right, so make sure you guys are sticking around and watching the entire video. All right. Oh, but first, I want to remind you guys to continue to smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure it's on all so that you get notified when I come out with these videos. I greatly appreciate it. All right, so let us get right into today's video. Okay, yeah, like I said, Auxito. I'm super excited about this, man. This is actually something that's very sentimental to me in a way, because this is the first company that decided to work with your boy Black Talent, and I'm very excited about that. So basically they contacted me, said they saw my other video, my LED video that I did, and they loved it. And they made a very good point. We're targeting the same audience, explorers, and so forth and so on. So we might as well just partner up. So they decided to send me out these LEDs. Also offered you guys, my viewers, 15% off towards the LEDs. And I'm really excited about this. So why don't we go right ahead and let's open up this box. Let's take a look at what's inside.
All right, so let us dig into this box. Decently nice little small box here. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. Oh, okay. So we got some zip ties, some extra seals, and an Allen key. I guess I'll explain that a little bit later. That's very important to see. I like that they added those extra seals in there. All right, so okay, get this bucket, and that's the driver. It's a pretty decently sized. The wire is pretty thick too. I like that. Decent plug, and look at that. Look at this shape. All right. Well, see that little oh, it has the fan. Very important. I'll explain that in the installation video. And I like the thick wire. It's looks like a pretty solid piece here, and how heavy it is as well. Now that little keyhole there is where the Allen will go to make the adjustments if when you're installing it, and if you need to adjust the, how it fits inside of the housing, which I'll go over in the install video. But the weight of this thing is pretty interesting. It's a little bit heavy. I wasn't expecting that. Not necessarily does it mean good quality, but it does give it a good quality as far as I'm concerned. Suggests that it's solid. I know that housing there is made out of aluminum, so it must be some sort of solid aluminum. Looks pretty good, compared to some of the HID kits that I've installed. It's pretty simple and straightforward, it looks like. So I'm definitely looking forward to doing this install.
All right, so now let's talk about some of the specs of these LEDs. Okay, we got here these LEDs. They're at 80 watts, 40 each, and then it's a 1600 lumens. And then the color is a 6500K, which is a nice color. That's the color that I like. I really like 6500 because it's not too white, it's not too blue. I like that color. It's the same, just about the same color as the low beams that come on our Explorers. And now some of the features. I'm just gonna go over some of the features of these LEDs, which I really like. The first thing that popped out is that shape. When I first looked at it, I was like, yo, what's with this funny shape, man? You know? So, you know, I was going through the features on the website, and, you know, that shape all of a sudden made a lot of sense. You know, it's, they call it a 360 degree illumination. You know, looking at it, I was like, all right, it's a little thin, but it serves a purpose. You know, most LEDs, you know, the board, you know, they both have two sides, but a lot of them have something on at the top here. And that little something, you know, it basically creates shadows. It creates a dead spot. And this is something that I experienced in both of the other LED companies that I've had. And I never could figure it out until I saw this. I was like, oh, that's why. So basically this shape here, this thin board with no obstructions up there, that's basically is going to eliminate that the dead spots that you would notice. Yeah, a couple of times I even had to get out and make sure that my high beams were working, because I noticed just off to the center, not in the center, very good beam pattern in the center, just off to the center, like maybe 1 or 2 o'clock or so, I would see, you know, little darker areas, and I could never figure it out. But, you know, here comes these Auxitos, and now I figure, that's why. You can see that what will cause the shadow there. So that would eliminate that, and I really like that about this. You know, I tend to look at things from a design perspective, and you know, I was very curious as that shape, and that's one thing that really caught my eye, that shape, and I had to look into it, and I'm glad that they came up with that. All right, moving along, another feature that they have here is CAN bus error free. This which relates to the flickering. You know, some, especially for you guys that have projector, low beam and high beam, sometimes when you upgrade to LEDs, that can cause them to flicker if it uses the same bulb. But this driver here, that's what this is. It's a driver. This driver helps with that, and of course with the error codes as well. Sometimes that can give an error. So they thought of that, which is excellent, and that helps with that. And another feature is it's 400% brighter. That's what it says. When I do this install, I'm definitely looking forward to see how much brighter they are over stock, and possibly over some other ones that I have. Because like I said, this is going to be my third LED that I'm going to be using, so I'm definitely excited about that. Another feature that they have here, they say it lasts for 50,000 hours. I never calculated how many hours some of the other ones I've had lasted, but we'll see how long this one lasts. Oh, now if you go to their website as well, it's pretty much straightforward as far as making sure that you get the right LEDs or the right bulbs, period. And they're not just for high beams and low beams. They have all types. They have signals, reverse lights, you know, you name it, it's there. Just make sure that you're selecting the right ones, especially for you guys that have the projectors. You know, there is an area there where you have to make sure that you're selecting the right style of bulb. Otherwise, you could run into that flickering error. I did ask them about specifically about, you know, the 2015 and older Explorers, and this is what they basically told me. All right. Now, also, this is not just for Explorers. You know, you just go to the website, enter in year, make, and model, and you know, they'll take care of you there. They'll show you their what's available for your vehicle. All right. You use my promo code and then get that 15% off.
Some of the fun parts about making videos are making montages. I just want to give you a quick little montage here of these LED lights.
If you are interested in trying out Auxito LEDs, I will definitely provide the links down below to their website. And also, as I said earlier, they gave basically my audience an opportunity to get 15% off. That's a lot. You know what I'm saying? Usually some places will give you 10, but this is 15. You're getting 15% off. You're going to have to use my link. So I'll link the website for Auxito, and then there's a link that you're going to have to click on. And using that link, if you use code Black Talent Family, that is how you're going to get the 15% off. All right. So I want to I can't say enough to the company Auxito for partnering up with me and my Black Talent family, for giving us this opportunity. I'm definitely looking forward to doing more and more with them in 2022. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this video. And thank you guys for watching. Please continue to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And also, remember, the links are in the description of this video to get that 15% off. Again, thanks again to Auxito for giving me this opportunity. All right, so please remember to have a blessed day and peace out.